Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install apps on Xiaomi A2 TV. To do it, in your home screen go to Apps, then click on Get More Apps, and now you can go up and go to Search and search for an app you want to download. I'm gonna search for Disney Plus. Go back and click on Install next to the app that you want. Then wait a moment, it will take a while, and after that your app will be available on your TV. And now, since the app is installed, you can go back to your home screen by clicking on the circle button on your remote. Then you can go to Apps, and here you will find your newly installed app. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.